It's a fact, your roof will last only so many years. You can now replace your roof at a fraction of the cost. Many of our customers pay only $500 for their new roof.
Previous hailstorms have caused hidden damage to countless Baton Rouge homes. Homeowners insurance will pay for 100% of the claim. Ryson spots the roof damage, makes the claim, and replaces your roof. You only pay your insurance deductible, never anything more.
Protect your family home. Get your free Ryson roofing inspection just to be on the safe side.
Call 225-330-3513.